Hello guys, welcome back at VCode in Python YouTube channel. So in this video we are going to build a button that will allow us to log in with the Facebook. So let's get started. So here we are going to the developers.facebook.com, and here we are going to my apps. So go to the more options, create app and more options, then continue, and then we are going to choose something else, and let's ignore this warning and continue. App contact email, write your email here. App display name, anything you want. We can use FB here, so DJ login, that will be perfect. So just submit it. I'm not a robot. Click it and submit it. Check it all, submit. So you will be on the developers page on your dashboard. We will use this app ID in our project. Go to settings and then basic, and here we will write app domain. So go to the app domain and write 127.0.01, and you can write here localhost as well. So save the changes, and now open the terminal and cd desktop, and now here we are making a directory for our project, Django project. So make directory Django FB, DJ FB, and here we will, in this directory we will install all the Python packages. So just make an environment python m when my environment, Python 3 we are using here. So Python 3 m when my environment. So we have created a Python environment. Now we will go to the project. So just open it in PyCharm, and here we are opening our project in PyCharm. Go to terminal and just activate our environment. So source my environment and then bin and activate. So this is that's how we are activating one environment. So pip install Django, and it will install Django first, and now after this we will install allauth. So the command is pip install allauth, Django allauth. So we have downloaded and installed this. Now okay, it is installed. Now create a project. Django admin start project FB login and dot for this folder. So we are creating the project in the same folder. Now go to settings and register all the apps. So we are using Django allauth. So allauth and allauth show account and allauth dot social account and social account. Now we will see what are the things that is required for allauth. So go to the allauth, Django allauth documentation. So here you can see we need these three apps. One more app will be needed for the Facebook. So allauth dot social account dot providers dot Facebook. Copy this and paste it. Okay, paste it in the PyCharm. Go to the PyCharm, paste it here, and we'll need backend authentication backends. Authentication backends paste here. Now we will be needed site ID. Site ID is one. The first site ID will be used, and the path will be account for the allauth.urls. Import include as well. Now just migrate python manage.pymigrate. Okay, it is saying we have not imported install apps. We have not imported this django.contrib.site. So we have to add this as well because it is needed. You can see here it is needed, so we have to import it as well. Install install app we have to register. So we have done the migration. After this migrate, we will be needed python manage.py run server. Okay, we have to create a user first. So manage.py create user, and we code in Python. We are using as a username, and we'll be using some password here. Users created successfully. So now we can start the server, run server. Click here and it will open the Chrome browser for us. Type admin and log in here. Okay, we are logged in. So click on social accounts, social application, and Facebook, and name you can write any name. Client ID will be our app ID, and secret key will be our app secret. So copy this, paste it here. Key will be blank, example.com to write, save. Now go to sites. Here open example.com, and domain name will be our localhost at 1000. So that's how we are using. That's what we are using. Display name will be FB login or login, just you can do whatever you want. So we are done with our backend admin. So we will be creating our HTML pages here. So we'll write templates. Here we will create an HTML file, that is home.html, login, and we will be writing a tag for Facebook login button. You can design a page, good front end page here. You can write styling, but we are doing with the backend part, so that's why we are not doing anything. And this is just we are using a Facebook API to get the login functionality. So we just did load social account and providers media.js. That's the providers we are needed here, and that's a fixed syntax we are using. You can see on the documentation of the allauth using Facebook, that is written there. So this is the fixed syntax. So localhost 8000, click here. We don't have any URL, so create a URL. So blank URL. Here we will write views.home, but we don't have views, so we will create a views in the same folder from .import views. So here we will use views.py file. So we have created this from Django.shortcuts, import render, def home request, and return render request home.html. Home.html is there. Okay, we have not registered templates, so os.path, but we have not imported os, or import os. Now os.path.join base directory, base dir, and templates. Done. Go to social account is not a register. Okay, it is not a social account, it is just social account without this. So remove this, and we don't need that. It is saying plugin.views.home didn't return. Okay, we have not write a return there in the views. Okay, we have to write return render. Now I think everything should be done. Okay, click on this and continue as this. We don't have any login redirect URL, so we have to create a login redirect URL. After that our information should be displayed there. So we will have to create a URL in the view. So, and we must have a template as well. So first go to settings, login redirect underscore URL, and the profile will be our name. So URL name will be profile. So here path profile, views dot profile, and name will be profile. Profile.html will be our page name. So now def return profile.html, and here we will write some data. So user dot get username, that's how we will get the username. So remove this. Okay, we have done something wrong. We have to write profile as a function. So now we got this. Now go to my GitHub profile and you will get some data from there, extra data for the login, after the login. So login with Facebook, templates, and the profile, and here you will get three things: image, username, and the full name. So paste it here and you will see that the output will be different now. So my account is private, that's why the image is not displaying. If a account is public, then you will see the image. So that's how you can do this login with Facebook. Thank you so much for watching my video, and please